Hello dear students, today during maths live lecture we have done some work. Okay, so in this video we will cover that all points. Okay, so first we have solved the mental maths textbook page number 140. Okay, so see the instruction. Use your estimation and write whether this thing should be weighed in gram or kilogram. Okay, so we know which things are light, we use gram unit to measure it. Okay, and which objects or things are heavier, we use kilogram. Okay, you have to write the units to measure these things. Okay, so see, first book is there. Okay, so book is light, so we will use gram unit. Okay, we will use gram unit. Then the packet of atta. Okay, so it should be measured in kilogram. The packet of atta we will measure in kilogram unit. Okay, then pumpkin is heavy, so we will use kilogram unit. Here pencil is light, so we will use gram unit. Okay. Now next, comparison of weight, textbook page number 141. Okay, see here, comparison of weight. Write the position of the objects in order of their weights. Okay, so see here, from the lightest to the heaviest. Okay, so we have to write the position. Okay, and according to lightest to heaviest. So here ball, leaf, then shark, okay, and peacock is there. Okay, so we have to arrange this lightest to heaviest. So which thing is lightest? So this leaf is lightest, to give one number to it. Okay, then heavier than leaf, ball is there, so give 2 number. Then heavier than ball, peacock is there, so give 3 number. And heaviest among these things is shark. Okay, so give 4 number to it. Okay, now next, here next question, from the heaviest to lightest. Okay, so see here one TV set is there, then car, then book, and then compass box. Okay, so see here we have to ordering heaviest to lightest. Okay, so which is the heavier thing? That is car, so give 1 number to it. Then lighter than car, TV is there. Okay, so give 2 number to it. Then lighter than this TV, this book is there, so give 3 number to it. And compass box is at 4 number. Okay, then one activity is given. See here, color the picture of given objects and write the standard unit used to measure them. Okay, so this activity you have to do in home. Okay, these are the pictures of different things. You have to color it and you have to write which standard unit may be used to measure it. Okay, so this is our bag, school bag, so it can be measured in kilogram, so write kilogram. Then this is clock, it can be measured in gram unit. Then pencil, we will use gram unit. Then this feather, we will use gram unit. Then spoon, we will use gram unit, and ball also we will use gram unit. Okay, so you know that which things are light, we use gram unit, and which things are heavy, we use kilogram unit. Okay, next, then next we have solved the quick check. Okay, we have solved the quick check, textbook page number 142. Okay, so see how to solve this. See the instruction. Sometimes we compare the capacity of different container by just observing their size. Okay, so capacity of the container depends on the size of it. Okay, if the size is big, then capacity also big. Okay, so see here, first question, take the container which can hold more water. Okay, so see here, one jug is there, okay, and one glass is there. Okay, so by observing you can decide which container can hold more water. The size of jug is big than size of glass, so capacity of jug is more than capacity of glass. Okay, so you have to tick under the jug. Then next, that is one cup is there and one spoon is there. So which can hold more water? That is cup, because size of cup is bigger than spoon. Then next, that is glass and cup. So which can hold more water? Glass can hold more water. Okay, then next, fill in the blanks using non-standard unit. Here one cup is there, and see here 1 2 3 4 5 spoons are there. Okay, so if you pour 5 spoons of water in that cup, then that cup will fill with water. Okay, so the capacity of that cup is 5 spoons of water or any liquid. Okay, so complete here, the capacity of cup is 5 spoons. Okay, then here one bucket is there, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 mugs are there. Okay, so the capacity of this bucket is 8 mugs. Okay, 8 mugs. Then next, C1. See here, one drum is there and 1 2 3 4 buckets are there. Okay, so what will be the capacity of that drum? 4 buckets. Okay, so the right here, the capacity of drum is 4 buckets. Okay, like this you have to complete the work. Now next, textbook page number 144. Okay, so see here, quick check, which standard unit would you use to measure the capacity of following and encircle it. Okay, so see here, first drop is there. Okay, so we will use milliliter unit, because the quantity of liquid it can hold it less. Okay, so we will use milliliter, so encircle that milliliter. ml means milliliter. Then here water tank. Okay, so this tank can hold more water, so encircle liter. Then next, here mug is there, so the capacity of this mug is in milliliter. Okay, then next, comparison of capacities. Arrange the following in order of their capacities. Start with the one which holds the most. Okay, so see here, spoon, then water tank, jug, bucket, mug and glass is there. Okay, so which can hold more water? Give one number to it. So this water tank can hold more water, so give one number to it. Okay, so smaller than this water tank, bucket is there, so give 2 number to it. Then give 3 number to this jug, give number according to their size. Okay, 3 number to jug, then 4 number to this mug, then smaller than this mug, glass is there, so give 5 number to glass and 6 number to spoon. Okay, now next, let us practice textbook page number 145. Okay, so see the instruction, measure the object with the ruler and write the answer in blanks given below. Okay, so you have to measure the length of given objects by using your ruler. Okay, so see the first length of this pencil is 5 centimeter, and after 5 you can observe here small 5 lines are there, means the length of this pencil is 5.5 centimeter, means 5 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Okay, then next, see the length of this spoon. Okay, keep one end of the spoon at the 0 and observe the another end. It is about 7 centimeter, and then the length of this pen is, you can observe, 8 centimeter. Okay, so write here 8 centimeter. Now next, second question, look at the balance and find out what do they weight. Okay, so see, in one pan weights are there, 1 kilogram and 2 kilogram makes 3 kilogram, and here mangoes are there. So what will be the weight of these mangoes? Means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 kilogram. So here write 3 kilogram. Then here see, in one pan some objects are there, and here weights are there, 100 gram and 50 gram. So 100 gram and 50 gram makes 150 grams. Okay, then next, here one atta packet is there and here weight is there. Okay, so see the weight 5 kg. Okay, so weight of this atta packet is 5 kg. So write here 5 kilogram. Okay, and here in one pan watermelon is there and here weights are there. Here see the weights, 2 kilogram and 2 kilogram makes 4 kilogram. Okay, so the weight of that watermelon is 4 kilogram. Now turn page, textbook page number 146. Okay, now we are going to solve it. Encircle the standard unit used to measure the capacity of following. See, one jug is there. Okay, and which standard unit we will use to measure the capacity of that jug? That is liter. Okay, we will use liter unit to measure the capacity of jug. Okay, if the jug is small, then we can use milliliter also. Then here bucket we will use liter, and glass means milliliter, because the amount of liquid it can hold is less. Okay, so milliliter. Then fourth number question, which unit is used to measure the weight of your body? So our body weight measure in kilogram unit. Okay, kilogram unit. Then next question 5, which is better estimate for the capacity of the shampoo bottle? Okay, so shampoo bottle is small in size, so it measure in milliliter unit. Okay, milliliter unit. Then it can be 50 ml or 100 ml. Okay, depends on its size. How much weight is the weightlifter trying to lift? Okay, so this is the weightlifter and it lifts some weights. Okay, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15. In another side also 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15 means 15, and 15 makes 30. So he lifts 30 kilogram weight. Okay, weightlifter lifts 30 kilogram weight. So this much concepts we have studied in our live lecture.